Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're learning how to set up PeaZip and explore some of its important settings. Here we are inside the PeaZip settings window. This is the main area where we can review and customize different parts of the application. On the left side, we have several categories, including General, Advanced, Archive Manager, File Manager, Applications, Theme, Help, and About. We are currently on the General section. At the top, we can see the localization option, which controls the language used by PeaZip. We can also see options for file associations and system menu integration. Below that, we have performance settings. These options control how PeaZip handles archives and different operations. For example, we can see browser optimization, dynamic virtual mode, task priority, and other performance-related settings. Further down, we have the privacy and security section. Here we can find options related to verification, the working directory, temporary files, history data, and password management. We can also see options for resetting applications, bookmarks, history, and the password manager. For a basic setup, we can keep the default settings. These options are already configured for normal use, so there is no need to change anything unless we have a specific reason. This settings window is useful because it gives us control over how PeaZip behaves, how it handles files, performance, privacy, and security. That's the main setup area in PeaZip. In the next part, we can explore another setting category and see what additional options are available. Thanks for watching, and let's continue with the next step.